Mania!
Checkpoint.
Welcome to the Teacher Dashboard. This is where teachers manage their classroom and access all of their students, create homework, quizzes, worksheets, and view the student analytics. From here, teachers can open the student list and manage individual student accounts. They can modify student information, edit details, or remove students if necessary. Next is the Curriculum Overview. Here, teachers can view all materials. This includes curricula, textbooks, or school-specific ones. Here, teachers can select and view the checkpoint curriculum. Next is the Homework section. Here, teachers can view the homework list, create new homework, and assign it to their students. When creating homework, teachers can choose questions from the curriculum or select exam-style practice questions. They can review the selected questions and schedule when the homework should be available for their class. Once assigned, the homework appears in the students' accounts, where they can complete it within the scheduled time. Next is the Quizzes section. In this section, teachers can create quizzes to assess their students' understanding of the material. Teachers can build quizzes using questions directly from the curriculum or choose from a range of exam-style practice questions. This allows them to create quizzes that match the learning objectives or prepare students for real exam formats. When creating a quiz, teachers can browse the available questions and select the ones they want to include. The teacher can choose the format of the answers when choosing the questions, whether it's multiple choice or an input-based answer. After selecting the questions, they can review them and adjust the marks for each question if needed. Teachers also have several options when setting up the quiz. They can define a time limit for students to complete the quiz, allow the use of a calculator when appropriate, and generate a printable version if they want to use the quiz as a paper exam. Once the quiz is ready, it can be assigned to students, and they will be able to access it from their accounts and complete it within the set time. Next is the Worksheets section. In this section, teachers can create printable worksheets for their students using questions from the curriculum. Teachers can browse through the available questions and select the ones they want to include in the worksheet. This allows them to create customized worksheets that match the lesson or reinforce specific learning objectives. After selecting the questions, teachers can review the worksheet and adjust it as needed before generating the final version. Once the worksheet is ready, it can be downloaded or printed and shared with students for additional practice in the classroom or at home. This gives teachers a flexible way to provide extra practice and support student learning beyond quizzes and homework. Next is the Analytics section. Here, teachers can view detailed analytics for homework, self-practice activities, and quizzes. The analytics help teachers understand how their students are performing and identify areas where additional support may be needed. Teachers can review the performance of the entire class, see overall results, and download reports for further analysis or record keeping. They can also explore detailed analytics for each individual student, allowing them to track progress, review performance, and better understand each student's learning journey. Now we move to the Student Dashboard. This is where students can access their learning activities and complete the tasks assigned by their teacher. From the dashboard, students can open the Homework section to view the homework assigned to them and work through the questions. After completing their homework, they can also review their answers and see their results. Students can also access the quizzes that have been set by their teacher. Here, they can complete the quiz questions within the assigned time and submit their answers. In addition to teacher-assigned work, students can practice independently using the exam feature. This feature generates random questions from the curriculum and allows students to practice under a set time limit, helping them prepare for real exam conditions. Another important feature is the self-learning and practice section. In this section, students and their parents can access the curriculum checklist and explore the full curriculum structure. Students can browse the curriculum and select a specific learning objective they want to study. Each learning objective includes a concept section that explains the material, along with worked examples that help students understand how to solve the problems step by step. After reviewing the concept and examples, students can complete a practice test designed to evaluate their understanding. The practice includes both regular curriculum questions and exam-style questions to help prepare them for assessments. Students can also track their progress and view detailed analytics for each subject, allowing them and their parents to monitor improvement over time. In addition, students can generate random questions for extra practice. They can choose to generate questions from the entire curriculum or focus on specific learning objectives or topics they want to strengthen.